Welcome to chemistry class. Today's topic is thermodynamics. In thermodynamics, the most important topic is enthalpy. In enthalpy, the most important topic is the most important type of enthalpy is standard enthalpy of formation or standard molar enthalpy of formation. Okay. So both are same, but here the representation for this is delta F h to the power of that the symbol is for standard state in IUPAC. Okay. So now let us define what is the standard enthalpy of formation or standard molar enthalpy of formation. Already I told that both are same. So now let us define. Definition for this is the enthalpy change takes place during the formation of one mole substance from the elements which are in standard states, These standard states are also considered as reference states. Reference states. Is it clear? Let us know what is standard state or what is reference state. Okay? A state of element at 25 degrees centigrade temperature and 1 bar pressure is said to be standard state of an element. A state of element at 25 degrees centigrade temperature and 1 bar pressure is said to be standard state or reference state. Okay. If a substance formed from such standard states of elements, okay, then the energy change takes place is said to be standard enthalpy of formation. Okay, here already I told you in this symbol delta indicates the change, F indicates formation, H indicates enthalpy. This is the IUPAC notation for standard. So here let us know that let us conclude that if an element is in standard state or in reference state, that means at 25 degrees centigrade, the state at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 bar pressure, let us let us generalize a concept here, that is the elements or components which are in standard state or reference state have zero, keep in mind, zero standard enthalpy of formation. Okay, this is the most important concept. The elements or components which are in standard state or reference state have zero standard enthalpy of formation. Based on this, we can solve different examples. Let us see an exemplar question based on standard enthalpy of formation or standard molar enthalpy of formation. Okay. So let us see a question. The given has non-zero delta FH. Okay, this is the question. Okay, so let us take an examples here. Option 1, Br2 gas. Option 2, H2 gas. Option 3, HBr gas. Option 4, all. Okay. Here for such type of questions, we have to check elemental state and is it in standard state or reference state. అంటే ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ మనకి ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చుండేటటువంటి సబ్స్టెన్సెస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిల్లో ఎన్ని స్టాండర్డ్ ఆర్ రెఫరెన్స్ స్టేట్ లో ఉన్నాయి అనేది మనము చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, లెట్ us see. Br2 is in gaseous state at 25 degrees centigrade as well as 1 bar pressure. 1 bar pressure. Okay. Similarly, H2 is also in gaseous state at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 bar pressure. Present. So here these two are in standard states. Standard or reference states. Reference states. Okay. So here let us see one. Let us remember one important thing here. For an element or for a component which is in standard state or reference state, its enthalpy of formation, standard enthalpy of formation or molar enthalpy, molar standard enthalpy of formation is always to be considered as 0. Okay, so for these two elements Br2 and H2, being they are in standard state or reference state, delta is equal to 0. Okay, so not only for this, for any element, for any component which is present in reference state or standard state. Okay, so that is to be considered as the element or component with 0 standard enthalpy of formation. Is it clear? So here HBr is not standard state and it is not an element, it is a compound. HBr is formed by the reaction of half mole of H2 and half mole of Br2. Let us see how HBr formed. Half H2 gas plus half Br2 gas gives rise to HBr gas. Here what is happening? Half mole of H2 and half mole of Br2 are reacting together. Both are in standard state or reference state, are reacting to give 1 mole of HBr. But HBr is not in standard state. HBr is not exist in nature. So it is a formed component from H2 and Br2. So now let us see, here HBr will have standard enthalpy of formation, that is minus 36.04. Minus 36.4. Okay. So kilojoules per mole. Okay. So here among the given options, which has non-zero standard enthalpy of formation? HBr has non-zero standard enthalpy of formation. Is it clear?